when the big companies and the big brands start figuring out that the dollars advertising actually works, then those companies that have been putting commercials on TV stop spending money on TV commercials because nobody's watching TV commercials anymore, right? Even if the commercial's on, when the commercial comes on and you can't fast forward it, what do? Go to snack, right? The only time that we watch commercials on TV is when, right? 2 months ago, I wasn't great at TikTok. 2 months ago, I was doing some things with my dogs and dancing with my daughter. You know, like those are the kind of things. And so that's, I want to encourage you to spend your time. And I can tell you right now too, I said you have 12 to 15 months, maybe 12 to 18 months to dominate your market, right? Because the ROI on TikTok ads right now is ridiculously good. Ridiculously good. Like you can go on and spend $5 on a post and get 10, 15, 20,000 views locally on your video because it's so underpriced right now, which is a whole nother reason why it's very important to be on multiple platforms and also try to figure out strategies to get people from online to offline because you do not want to be at the mercy of a social platform. Did anybody used to use Facebook pages? I had a lot of success with Facebook pages. Facebook pages had like a phenomenon like this, where you could post something and you would have 20,000 views and it was like your third post on Facebook. That went away very quickly because marketers, when the big companies and the big brands start figuring out that the dollars advertising actually works, then those companies that have been putting commercials on TV stop spending money on TV commercials because nobody's watching TV commercials anymore, right? Even if the commercial's on, when the commercial comes on and you can't fast forward it, what do? Go to snack. You pick up your phone, you go to the restroom, you do anything besides watch the freaking commercial on the TV. Right? The only time that we watch commercials on TV is when, right? So we know, like you guys are answering the questions. What I'm trying to have you guys understand is it's like when you buy a car and all of a sudden everybody's driving your car, right? They were already driving your car before you bought your car, but now all of a sudden you see your car and now you're seeing it all out there. It's like I noticed I was looking at the wall and I said, oh crap, that says do it. Now I'll never unsee do it. Right? It's the you guys know the FedEx and the arrow in FedEx. Like I didn't always see it, but now that I see it, it's all I look at. So this is the kind of things I want to retrain your mind when it comes to marketing is spend time on a platform thinking of it as a consumer of what's getting your attention, what's working. Get your TikTok, post a TikTok, I don't care what it is. Right? It could be your glass of wine you're sharing, you know, with the ladies at the bar. It could be your PTA meeting. It doesn't matter. Like you can't make everything about business. People want to see, like one of the first people that called me from TikTok for a mortgage was like, I saw you were dancing with your daughter, like you're a real human being. And I was just thinking to myself, I forgot to delete that one. They want to see that you're a real person. And like, I'm not saying you have to post personal stuff. Like I really do skew more towards just keeping it business. One of my main people that I follow is, anybody know Gary Vaynerchuk? I love Gary V. He posts nothing about his family. Like he doesn't post about his kids, his wife. It's all business, and that's okay because people want to watch, they want to see, they want to know. So instead of everybody else watching somebody else, they need to watch you because they need to think of you when they want to buy a house or when they want to list their home. I'm driving here right now and I see somebody's billboard on the highway to sell, you know, to sell their home. The $3,000 they spend on the billboard, they have no freaking clue what kind of business they could generate spending $3,000 on localized TikTok ads. No freaking clue. Like 10x the results. In my personal opinion, the billboards, and just in my opinion, I always would be very transparent, for their ego. Because they like to see themselves as they're driving down the thing. Now, I'm sure it works. I'm sure it works, but if you spend $3,000, I mean, holy crap. Alexis, imagine if we spent $3,000 on, I think I spent $40 on a video last time and I got 4 million views.